Okay, welcome to the final assignment, the Markov model name generator. This is my processor class, so this is where I just run everything. So we'll run this real quick and we'll take a look at how this runs. Okay. So make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select a gender. So we'll do boy. We'll set a max length of 7 and then a minimum length of 2. And then we get a name. And then I have this in a loop so it'll restart again from the beginning. We can do a girl's name. And there we are. So there's our output. And we can keep doing this as many times as we want and generating new names. So we'll terminate that, and then let's take a look at what's going on here. So the first thing we're going to do, where the names are built is in the name builder class. I have quite a few classes here. So this is a string builder, and it goes through and just pulls characters from the model class here, and then it just returns it as a name. So the model class, this is our hash map. So as the key of the hash map, we have a string of 2 characters, and then as the value of the hash map, we have a character manager class, which is all the possible characters that could follow. So this is going to be where we can pull. We feed this class either new characters, and then the new character followed by the previous 2, or we can ask for a new character and get a character given the previous 2 characters based on probability. Which that all happens in our character manager class over here. So our character manager class, this is really just an array list of every possible character followed by their probability, and we are able to store both the probability and the character, because we have it stored in an item class, which the item class is really unexciting. It's just the name, the character, and the probability. So we can store those 2 and access those 2. So when we get our probability, we just go through the array, count it up, and then divide it by how many occurrences it was by the overall number of occurrences in this array list. And that's how. So from here, we select. We can get a new character, pop it over to the model class, which then puts it to the name builder class. The last class we have here is the file opener. This just goes through. This is also where at the beginning of each string I have it set to just automatically add in the two underscores and at the beginning and the end. And I actually have it set in the name builder class, so these won't display as you see here in the display. These are all internal, so they're not in any of either file or in when we get our output. And that is the Markov model name builder. Pretty simple, just quite a few classes.